Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mustaqim. ID number MH10006. Here I would like to present my subject, road vehicle aerodynamic, in topic of CFD analysis, computational fluid analysis, dynamical. Okay, what is CFD? CFD is the simulation of the fluid engineering system using mathematically, physical problem formulation, and numerical method. And each has a discretization method, solver, numerical, and solver. Why use CFD? Simulation-based design instead of code and test. Simulation of physical fluid phenomena that are difficult for experiment. Example, we need an extra force that limited to be applied in the real life. So we use CFD. By that we can assume some force more than what we are thinking sometimes. Okay, next, what is the advantage of CFD? CFD have several advantages. There are a lot of advantages out there. Firstly, it's a great time reduction and cost reduction in new design, so we can also limited our cost in some modification. And CFD technique offer the capacity of studying system under condition over its limit, and it generate different graph formats to understand the feature of the result. This encourages buying a new product without releasing any money for the experiment. Okay, next is disadvantage. Disadvantage of CFD is sometimes it needs a high performance computer when we want to make some bigger force for our analysis. And secondly, when we want to compute bigger analysis, we must take a long time because they will analyze a critical part in so many time and so many iteration. Okay, nextly, where is CFD used? CFD use is known widely used in automotive, in our costly, and then in hydraulic, in marine, oil and gas, power generation, and also in sport also. CFD process. CFD process including a pre-process and post-process. Okay, geometry in CFD is firstly we tekankan on the design of the modeler, and we design of the CAD software. We make a design. Okay, secondly, after we make a CAD design, we import it into the CFD analysis. Firstly, we must mesh the model first with the relevant method and sizing and smoothing, and by mesh it we name it. Then we must set up the what we want to identify on the analysis. The solution is about what the critical part we want to take more. We want to know more about that. Okay, the result will be okay after we generate all the setting we have done. Okay, so the conclusion, in our daily life nowadays, CFD is very important because our world becoming more disaster after this, so we must take some precaution before the big disaster happen to us. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you, Dr. Zaman.